Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey into the fascinating world of plants, where we'll uncover a hidden talent possessed by these silent guardians of our planet. Today, we explore their remarkable ability to purify the very air we breathe, transforming our homes into havens of cleaner, healthier living. For within their verdant leaves, these botanical wonders possess an innate ability to absorb harmful toxins, filtering and refreshing the air we depend upon. Join me as we delve into the remarkable world of air-purifying plants and discover how these natural wonders can enhance our well-being. From the elegant to the easy to care for, we'll meet a selection of plants perfectly suited to grace your home while silently working their magic. Let us begin our exploration and uncover the secrets these botanical marvels hold. Our journey begins with the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria, a striking and resilient species that thrives in even the most neglectful of homes. Its upright sword-like leaves adorned with intricate patterns stand as a testament to its hardiness. But behind this stoic facade lies a powerful air purifier. The snake plant is a master at filtering out a trio of harmful chemicals often found lurking in our homes: formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. Formaldehyde, commonly found in furniture and building materials, can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat. Xylene, often present in paints and varnishes, can cause headaches and dizziness. And toluene, a solvent found in many household products, can affect the nervous system. The snake plant stands guard against these unseen threats, silently purifying the air we breathe. Next, we encounter the peace lily, a plant whose very name evokes a sense of tranquility and well-being. Its elegant dark green leaves and striking white blooms make it a welcome addition to any home. But the peace lily offers more than just visual appeal. This botanical beauty is a natural air purifier, effectively removing a range of harmful compounds from our indoor environments. Ammonia, often found in cleaning products, can irritate the respiratory system. Benzene, a known carcinogen present in gasoline and cigarette smoke, poses a serious health risk, and formaldehyde, as we've learned, can cause a variety of health problems. The peace lily combats these unseen threats, promoting a healthier and more serene living environment. Our exploration now leads us to the spider plant, a favorite among plant enthusiasts of all levels. Its cascading foliage and spiderettes add whimsy to any room. The spider plant is a champion air purifier, tackling carbon monoxide and xylene. It creates a healthier environment for us to thrive. Aloe Vera, a succulent prized for its soothing gel and medicinal properties, holds a surprise. It's a natural air purifier. Its fleshy, serrated leaves, often used to soothe burns and cuts, contain a hidden talent. Beyond its topical benefits, aloe vera excels at removing formaldehyde and benzene from the air we breathe. These common household pollutants, as we've learned, can have detrimental effects on our health. Formaldehyde, found in furniture, carpets, and even some cosmetics, can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat, while benzene, present in gasoline, paints, and cigarette smoke, is a known carcinogen. Aloe vera, with its air-purifying abilities, helps create a healthier indoor environment, reducing our exposure to these harmful substances. Our journey concludes with the Boston fern, a plant whose lush, cascading fronds evoke the feeling of a tropical rainforest. Its vibrant green foliage adds a touch of elegance and tranquility to any indoor space. But the Boston fern offers more than just visual appeal. This botanical beauty is highly effective at removing harmful pollutants, particularly formaldehyde and xylene, from the air we breathe. Formaldehyde, as we've learned, is commonly found in building materials, furniture, and household products. Its presence can lead to respiratory problems, eye irritation, and other health concerns. Xylene, often found in paints, varnishes, and cleaning agents, can cause headaches, dizziness, and respiratory issues. The Boston fern combats these unseen threats, purifying the air and creating a healthier living environment. Plants are natural air purifiers, each with unique beauty and benefits. They enhance our homes and contribute to a healthier environment. Consider inviting these green allies into your space. Thank you for joining me. May plants enrich your home and well-being.